all, this is Eric. I am working on another game that we have had in our game graveyard for quite a while, Milk Jug Toss. I just got this hooked up and unburied from our crocodiles and sharks that are eating things. Whoops, I'm dropping things. So today I have taken all the balls out. It doesn't have any in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cue it up. Unfortunately, I had cannibalized this not knowing it was a working game, so one moment here while I cue it up. Okay, so just for the technicians at ICE and maybe somewhere else, it's trying to send me balls. I want to pay attention to that because that's going to be important. And I'm going to shut up for a minute. And notice that I'm not sending anything in it. And we're down to 4 now. And I did count to 50. Okay, so 50, wherever 50 is, that's the sensor. Okay, one of the front right ones. Or front ones, I mean. Also, looks like we need to replace that LED board. That was another 50. I know that when I have thrown a ball, I don't know which one it hit, but it went from 3 to 1. I'm not sure what that conveyor sound is. Another 50. I wonder if it's just timing out. Another 50. And then another 50, and the game is over. It does appear that all of the lights are working. I thought I would get a close-up look here and see what I can see. There's a ball in there. There's a tennis ball in there. Okay, so that could cause problems. Okay. Makes sense. I'll see if I can get that tennis ball out and go from there. All right. Thanks all for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.